This is a Ford door lock. This is a Ford ignition door and trunk 2-in-1 pick. And we're going to pick this lock and then decode the cuts in the key that would fit that. So we insert that in there. This is our tensioning tool. We'll lift that up out of the way. Then we insert the picks all the way to the back. Then we're going to apply tension and then try and find each of these numbers is the wafer location. The vertical lines, the horizontal lines are the depths of the cut of the key to align those wafers properly in the cylinder to open the lock. So now we just, this needle here and this needle here are going to indicate if there's a little bit of springiness, then we know that that wafer can be moved. If there's no springiness, then there's either not a wafer there or it's already been picked. So it doesn't look like there's a wafer there. We're not getting any springiness there. We'll go to 6 and we see a little springiness there. So we're going to gently push down. And we got a click. 5, 4, 3, 2, we got a false set. Go back to 6. That's it. And then we'll decode it. 6 looks like a 3 cut. 5 looks like a 2. 4 is a 3. 3 is a 2 cut. 2 is a 2 cut, and there's nothing in one. There we go. There's our code. So now we would cut a key to those corresponding depths and it would unlock the door. An ignition has as many as 10 wafers, so we would use 6 through 2 that we decoded and then put that into a software program that is subscriber based, and then you'll have as many as 4 or more options as to what those remaining cuts could be to be able to make these existing cuts and the additional 3 or 4 cuts correspond to an ignition key that would also turn the ignition. And then the next step after finding that out is programming the transponder chip in the ignition key to be able to start the car.